You want to build a real app that pulls live data from the internet? Let's build a weather app in 3 minutes. Today on Naga Automates, we will learn how to connect Python to the OpenWeatherMap API to get real-time weather for any city in the world. Let's start. First, I am importing the requests library. This allows to talk to web APIs. Now I am defining API key. We will add this API key later, and also defining base URL. Next, I created a function called getWeather. This function takes the city name as input. Inside the function, I am building the API URL dynamically. I am passing the city name, API key, and units as metrics, so the temperature comes in Celsius. Then I am sending a GET request to the weather server using requests.get. If the response status code is 200, that means the request is successful. Now I am converting the response into JSON format. From the JSON data, I am extracting temperature, humidity, and weather description. Finally, I am printing the weather details in a clean and readable format. If the city name is wrong, I am showing a simple city not found message. Any unexpected error is safely handled using a try except block. At the bottom, I am using a while true loop. This allows the user to check weather for multiple cities without restarting the program. The program keeps running until the user types Q to quit. Now let me show you how to get the API key. Open your browser and go to openweathermap.org. Click on sign up and create a free account using your email. After logging, go to here and click on My API Keys. Generate a new API key and copy it. Come back to the code and paste the key here. Save the file. Let's test it. Type Delhi. Boom, the weather is showing. This is the foundation of backend engineering. Next, we will automate Google Sheets. Subscribe now.